up, everybody?
What's up, YouTube?
I'm Randall.
I'm Jose.
And we're Modfx. We're your one-stop mod shop located in Houston, Texas. We have a new channel coming, a lot of cool stuff, so make sure you follow us, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be sure to see you guys soon.
In a couple minutes, we're just going to do a quick walk around on our cars, explain what year, model, and whatnot. Stay tuned. Give us a couple seconds.
Yes, sir.
Smoked out band.
Hard tone.
What's up, YouTube? I'm Randall. Here we have one of our shop cars, 2012 Dodge Charger SRT8. First thing you'll notice is the custom X-Noon badge, Modfx of course. You also see the custom paint. We call the color Super Blue. Belgian wheels and a 22-inch fitment. The car is riding on universal air suspension as well as AccuAir air management. And we have a few other custom things done that we'll go over in detail. So check it out, let us know what you think, and we'll see you soon. Jose.
Oh, fuck. Dang it, boy. What's on the gram?
Always on Instagram, can't take him nowhere.
What's up, YouTube? Jose here. I got a 2015 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. I also have a custom X-Noon badge that obviously says Modfx. I also did Hellcat front end conversion. Painted all my trim gloss black. I got some Oracle side markers. Right now I'm rolling on some stock 20-inch wheels. Boosted Scat Pack logo on the side. Everything is pretty much custom powder coated copper, transparent too. One of the things I do want to show y'all, I'm gonna bring y'all around here one more time. This is some of the things that everybody's always asking me about. And I'll wait till the camera gets a little closer. But I got a custom carbon fiber steering wheel that everybody's always asking is considered fire. So car's also sitting on an AccuAir E-level system with UAS universal airbags. I got the 6-piston Brembo upgrade as well. Take a look and tell me what y'all think.
Murder on call with the 5-9. 20 years and it seemed like a lifetime. I've been hanging every day from a lifeline. Why these fucking tailored dinner every night?